Good morning, friends. Today's topic is basics of cost accounting. What do you mean by accounting? Accounting is the process of recording, classifying, summarizing, and interpreting all the financial informations of every business is called as accounting. And what about cost accounting? It also record, classify, summarize, and interpret all the cost relevant informations alone. Then it will be shown in a cost sheet. That is called as cost accounting. Before that, what do you mean by cost? Cost is a value of economic resources used as a result of production or doing the thing costed. Say, for example, I am the manufacturer of pen, ballpoint pen. I have to incur many expenses like ink, plastic, and nipple, like that. For that, I have to spend the money to purchase that raw material and use it in a factory, and I have to employ a laborers. I have to make the salary to them. After that, they will convert the product into convert the raw material into finished product of pen. Here, I have to incur a lot of expenses like cost of purchasing the materials, labor salary, and direct expenses and indirect expenses. After manufacturing the product, I have to sell in the market, so I have to incur selling and distribution expenses and so on. So here, the cost means the amount spent to convert the raw material into a finished product is called as cost. Now, what do you mean by cost accounting? It's a process of recording and accounting all the elements of cost. What is that? What do you mean that elements of cost? Like as I have told already, when I'm going to convert the raw material into finished product, say for example in a pen, I have to purchase a material, I have to employ a labor, I have to make a payment for EB bill, shop rent, and officer salary, and the selling and distribution expenses, advertisement expenses, salesman commissions. These are all called as elements of cost. So what we are going to do in a cost accounting here, we used to record all the elements of cost, all the type of cost, and make an accounting to understand how much we have spent and what could be our selling price in a future. Okay. Okay. Then, if it is so, what is the difference between financial accounting as well as cost accounting? What is the difference between financial accounting as well as the cost accounting? Point number one: financial accounts records all the transactions, whether it is income or expenses or assets or liabilities. It immaterial of uh, the nature of expenses. It records all the items, all the income as well as all the expenses. Whereas in cost accounting, we used to record only the cost elements, not about the income elements, income aspects. We record all the cost. That's the first thing. Then, with the help of financial accounting, we could prepare the profit trading account, profit loss account, and a balance sheet in order to provide information to the outsiders, that means owners. Whereas cost accounting, it helps to provide information related to the cost to the insiders, that is the management. What it mean? Financial accounting provide the information to the outsiders, that means government, shareholders, owners, and so on. Whereas cost accounting, it's internal accounting. It provides the financial information only about the cost to the insiders, that is the management. Say for example, in our company last year we spent more than 25 lakh. If we knew the information, this year we could minimize the amount of expenses. Here as a common student, you knew that income doesn't mean that earning of money. Rather, it could be by way of minimizing our expenses. Also, it's a kind of income. So we need the cost accounting. Then, second difference is financial accounting emphasize, that is focused on recording of all transactions. Just we are going to record in financial accounting. Whereas cost accounting, what we are doing, we are recording the cost elements, cost aspects, in order to control the expenses, in order to minimize the expenses, in order to take the decision on the expenses. So main focus or emphasis of cost accounting is to control